Hey guys, I'm going to totally improvise on this one, but basically for this, Loco showed me this. I'll play it right now, and it's pretty fucking cool. It's dope. But I'm like, why not push this thing to the next level? Make it even more cool shit. And so basically, yeah, he said like, oh, I'm not sure what to do, but I'll show you things you can do in AE to just push it a little further, make it more pretty, do more things. So, blah. And other like minor things like I think you should touch up on. So, yeah. Anyways, so first thing I was like, all right, map's pretty cool, but it could be cooler. And so one thing I like to do when thinking of a map is look at like cool art and shit, on the internet, and then like kind of reference off that. So here's this image. Let me see if I could zoom in a little more. Yeah. So I thought this shit was super dope, and it's kind of similar to like color wise it could be. Here's a red sword, and the rest of his environment has like a blue-ish like feel. It's like dark bluish like everywhere else, and then there's this like red sword that like contrasts and shit. It's really good to know like here. Soon tips and toots. See this fucking my thoughts on color thing? I didn't make it, but it's good to know color theory if you want to make your shit look pretty. There's certain things about color, like if you have like all of like a similar color in the rest of the thing, and then you just have one really strong color like popping out, it makes you focus on that a lot more. So you could do a lot more to this to make the sort like see with this. Okay, let me just switch over to this. When you look at this like thing right here, your fucking focus is immediately drawn towards this, just cause like this color pops out so much compared to the rest of it, and the rest of this shit looks dope. But yeah, okay, so meh. I'll stop praising this thing and just try to move on. So this isn't really low quality right now because it actually kind of lags for me when it's in full. But yeah, let me close out of this. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is start doing things in AE to get the color, the feel closer to this, and hopefully I can do that. I am just totally going into this not knowing what I'm doing. Alright, he has all these locked layers. I just unlock everything. Alright, oops. What'd I do? Control C. Okay. Wait. Tile. Okay. So, let's see. First things first. Before we move on to color and stuff, there's actually camera things I thought needed to be touched up on. So yeah, sorry, I kind of went through the whole color talk, but actually no. Doing color first is maybe better. You could go either way, color or camera. I'll just do color, fuck it. Okay, so let's see. These tiles. Alright, I'll begin. So, like, since we're using this as reference, see how, like, dark this is that they're standing on? So let's start off by making these tiles a lot darker. So I'm going to click on the effects and presets, click this. First I'm going to hit Control-Shift-S, and then I'm going to save it. I'm just going to save it as another file, version Derek. Just in case like I fuck up the scene and I want to go back to the original. Always good to have duplicates of your saved things. So anyways, let's go to curves. Curves is a color correction tool in After Effects. Oops. I'll click on the ground one. See, I just keep clicking through things till I find out what it is. So this one, it shows like right under his feet. Gonna hit curves. Alright, so there's already the red by tile effect, which duplicates all these. So that's what Loco did before. So I'm going to make the quality higher so I can see the detail. And zoom in. See right here, it shows how far you're zoomed in. 100% is like, the actual quality of the video. So I like, when doing color stuff, I like looking in here. So let's see. That's pretty dark. Yeah, you know. I'll just go with that for now. And what I can do with effects is I can click on the curves, hit Control C, and then I could click on the other tile. So this is the front one, hit Control V, and the curves thing will paste right on. And so with the fence, I'll just do the same thing. Paste, paste. Alright, so we got a really dark ass fucking ground right now. Okay, so let's see. Next up is the back. Let's see, all these clouds. Ooh. So, one thing I didn't know is he used this effect called auto scroll. That's pretty cool. Do not have that. So, that's dope. Well, not that wait, is that just like a normal effect in After Effects? It is. Huh. Well, alright. So, basically, guys, if you go in your effects, type in auto scroll, you could drag it onto your effect, and based on whatever number you put in, see this is the speed in pixels, that's how fast it'll move. So like on this one, he has -100. Okay, then this one he has -50, so it goes slower. And then, dude, they just... Yeah, and he has one cloud in the back that's not moving at all. Yeah, so, cool. Maybe I'd make it move really slow. No, it's fine how it is. Okay, so anyways, yeah, enough about that. Man, how long have I been going? 6 minutes, and I've hardly taught you guys anything. I'm sorry. Okay, so, alright, the clouds. Alright, so first thing I actually want to do is the moon. I want to get the moon looking way more like the one in, not that there is one here, but I want it to cause the color that it does in this one. So here, I'm going to move this moon down. Is this a 2D layer? No. How's the moon? I'm just saying. Okay. Moon doesn't move that much. Don't have to worry about it. Alright, so as you can see, he had a light effect on the moon, which is pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna... Which way should I set this? Do I want the moon on the left side or the right side? Is there a significance if I have it on one of the sides? This is the kind of shit I at least think of, and I think it adds on to it. So, one thing I didn't get was why there's stars, like, that high up, and not lower. Wait, why are the stars rotated? See, you could see how this is, like, slanted. Let me hit R. Whoa, wrong way. Nope, wrong as well. See this. Now it's more flat. Alright. Huh. He may have had a reason for doing it. I'm not sure. And yeah, let's see. I'm confused why the stars aren't showing up. Huh. I should have analyzed. Oh, the stars are just okay. Alright. Anyways, moon time. Let's I'll worry about the stars after. Alright, so moon is kind of... Actually, yeah, I want him to be facing the light. Just, you know, the light is in front of him. Or do I want the light behind him? Fuck, man, I don't know. I'm wasting so much of your time. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna push the moon back a little bit so it doesn't move that much. Alright. So, moon's here. Moon is going to chill right here. Let's see. Okay. While I'm at it, I'm going to just do a camera thing. I'm going to hit U. U? Oh. Oh, I see. I usually animate my camera in the camera layer, but he has it linked to a null object in the position, which is just fine. Okay. So one thing that irked me with his camera right here was, see, he's on kind of the right side of the screen vertically, and then he switches to the left side of the screen. Now, when it's on the left side of the screen, I think this is better, and I prefer it this way, just because it's good to give your character like headroom, like what he's looking forward towards, because like what's behind him isn't as important unless you like specifically have something that's going to happen there. Usually the person wants to see what's like in front of the character's face. So yeah, so like how he has it here, this is good. But right here, it just doesn't feel as needed, so I am going to shift everything a bit. Let's see, so this is the X position. If I go like this, yeah, that'll move it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is, the cool thing is you could type in plus like 200, and it'll add it by 200 pixels exactly. Let's see. Alright, that's okay. Let me just add 50 more, so I'm gonna have to move the tiles obviously so it doesn't cut off here. Alright, so I think that's better. Now I'm going to click this so it goes to the next frame. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Oh no. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna have to Control Z everything I just did. Just a second, wait. Okay. So one thing you have to keep in mind is make sure, like, see, I clicked this. I went like that when I hit the position and started typing in the numbers, and it selected all of these keyframes and made them yellow. So when I typed that in, it made each of these keyframes the same exact thing, so there's like 0 camera movement. So anyways, fixing that. Okay, so I'm gonna type in plus 250, but then that means like the tween's going backwards to that like previous position. So I'm gonna go to the next keyframe by hitting this. See, if you hit this, it just goes, see like right here how this line thing is moving? It'll just go to each keyframe you have. See, it's gonna pop up over there. So yeah, anyways, here I'm gonna just type in plus 250, because I don't want to totally change what Loco did, you know? I want to like have the same like camera movement and ideas. I just kind of wanted to move the positioning. I like how he like moved the camera really slowly here and then zoomed in. So yeah. Let's see here. Alright. Only thing I would like want to do here. No, this is good. That's good. Alright. What I don't like. Let me see if what happens if I. Wait, is this in the same position? No. Huh. Okay. See, what this is like. I don't. God, like, it sounds like such bullshit when like I explain this, but like when the sword like rises up, it's just like, oh, like the viewer feels like, oh, the sword's like moving up, and then when you look at it in this frame, it's like on the bottom. I don't know, I just feel like it would feel better if like the sword was either higher or the camera was lower. So let's see, I think I might just, no, if I alright, I'm gonna make the camera a little bit lower. So let's see. I hope that doesn't, no, it doesn't ruin it too much. So yeah, so shit. That's 358. Okay, so I'm gonna just type in plus 50. Yeah, and so when it goes up, yeah. The other thing about doing it this way, okay, first I have to, wait, what the fuck? Okay, well, I should probably add 50 to the next keyframe so it tweens like it did last time. So let me go to the next keyframe and type in plus 50. Okay. Now, so when it goes up, I might adjust that a little bit. See, this is you're going into like this pace that I work. I don't like, you know, adjust the VCam and do shit like super fast. Like I critically think about like everything. So usually, like when I'm taking my time trying to make an animation look good, anyways. So let's see. What happens if I say negative 50? Oops, negative 50. Okay, so it drops even lower. Okay, wait. I'm gonna see how this looks animated. Sometimes I just have to preview it. So like in After Effects for previewing, you use this where you want to start. And I'll start here, hit this. Oh shit. See, it's going in full quality. This is how long it takes to render out each frame. That's going too long. So I'm going to go to third, and then I'm going to hit this for a preview. And yeah, so now it's going a bit faster. Yeah, so I really like that, like how the camera paused, and then actually what I may do is I'll have like the camera kind of, let's see. No, that's too slow. Alright. I'm trying to think, sorry. Okay. Let me Control C this, so I'm copying this frame. I'm going to go here. I'm going to type in negative 50. So it's what he had before. So wait. So before it was like this. Oops. It just cut the line. Let's see. Wait, which way did I just do this? Okay, no. Alright, so I'm going to do like a mix of both of ours. So let's see, it's going to like rise up. But it's, oh no. I know what it did. I just have to fix it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to right click here, keyframe interpolation. And for temporal interpolation, I'm going to click linear. Hit OK. I think that'll fix it. It did not. I'm going to have to do that here too. Keyframe interpolation, linear. Okay. Let's see. Fuck, that looks like shit. I'm so sorry, Loco. I'm sorry, everyone, if you're watching me and it's just looking like poop. Okay. Actually, let me play it. Actually, let me just hit F9 again.